Hello and welcome. This is video 2 of lesson 6.3 notes on symmetry and dilations. So from video 1 you should have learned about line symmetry, point symmetry, and rotational symmetry. And just to reiterate, line symmetry means that you can draw a line through the figure, and if you folded the figure in half on that line, then this first half would match the second half. Point symmetry is if you took your figure and spun it around 180 degrees, like this, it would look the exact same. And then rotational symmetry is, move my picture there, is any rotation, not just 180 degrees. So this pinwheel here, I could rotate it 90. There it go. There it goes. I can rotate it 90 and it looks the same. I can rotate it 180 and it looks the same. You could do any rotational degrees for that. Okay, so we are going to try some examples. Okay, so example 1 here, we have a hexagon, and we are trying to determine, does it have line symmetry, point symmetry, and or rotational symmetry, or none. So I like to do the line one first. So with a line, I just draw them in. So there's a first half and a second half. I could draw the line here, first half, second half. I could draw the line here, here, and ideally if you were drawing straight lines, these would all go through a center point. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this line is the same as line 1, so it looks like I have 6 lines of symmetry. So this one is definitely by line symmetry. Point symmetry, if I get this middle point right here, and I rotate around 180, is it the same figure? And it is. So that one is true. And then rotational symmetry, again, with a point, but could I just rotate a certain amount of degrees? So basically, if I took line 5 here and rotated it to here, the figure would be the exact same, so that would definitely be rotational symmetry. And since this is a hexagon, a regular hexagon, I can figure out that this angle right here that I rotated it is 60 degrees. Okay, now we're going to try for example 2. Line symmetry. Looks like I can draw one there, and a third here. So that is true. I have 3 lines of symmetry. Point symmetry, if I do 180 degrees specifically, so if I flip it upside down, it would not look the same. But I could do a rotational symmetry. If I rotate this guy over to here, then it would definitely look the same. And I know that that is 120 degrees. And I can figure that out because this is a triangle. Okay, let's look at one that has nothing. So I'm going to skip around the examples. I'm not going to do all of them. But number 4 has none. I can't draw a line down the center. Well, I could, but this half does not equal that half. So that's a no. I can't spin it 180 degrees. So that one's a no. And I can't just spin it, like 90 degrees or something. So that one's a no. This one has none symmetry. Okay, I'm just going to fill in so you guys can check these. So I would like you to pause the video right now, do number 3, 5, and 6, and then come back, unpause the video, and check your answers. Okay, by now you should be able to unpause the video, check your answers. You can pause again so that you can record your answers. I'm going to move on to the back. So pause again and then check the back once you've tried those. Okay, and we're back. Now I would like you to check examples 7 through 12 just to make sure that you understand the concepts. And you can pause now and check your answers. Otherwise, I'm going to finish this video and you will move on to video 3 after.